Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cover our first topic continuation, that is remaining two topics on overview of computer. Those are classification of computers and application of computers. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and it is a general concept for all of us and mainly first year PUC concept. So without wasting our time, let us move towards our today's topic on classification of computers and application of computers. The very first one is classification of computers. A computer may be digital or an analog. As we know, the way of computer processes the information can be broadly classified into the following three categories. Those are analog computers, digital computers, and hybrid computers. So, analog computers, in case of analog computers, computations are carried out with physical continuous quantities such as voltage, length, current, temperature, etc. are used. The devices that measure such quantities are analog devices. Example, voltmeter, as we know, ammeter, thermometer. There are analog electronic analog computers generally used in chemical plants monitoring temperature, pressure, voltage, etc. Okay, this about analog computers. Next is digital computers. The digital computer work it mainly upon discrete data, that is discontinuous data. They convert the data such as alphanumeric and graphic data into digits, that is binary digit 0 and 1, and all operations are carried out on these digits at extremely fast rate. Digital computers are further classified into two types, that is purpose wise and size with performance wise. Okay, here in case of purpose wise, the digital computers are further classified into two types, that is special purpose and general purpose computers. So in case of special computers, uh, these are the type of computers which are designed to perform a specific task. The instructions carried out the task are permanently stored in the machine itself. For example, blood pressure monitoring system. These computers are not versatile. Next one is general purpose computers. In this type of computers, the instructions, that is programs, are not permanently stored like special purpose, but they are input at the time of execution time. These computers can work on different type of programs input to it, and thus used in countless applications. So the computers are versatile. Now move towards size and performance wise. Here the digital computers are classified into four types in size and performance wise. Those are microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. So these microcomputers, the very first one, these are also referred for personal computers, PCs. Uh, these are single processor systems which are designed to be placed on tabletop. These were introduced in 1970s. Uses of these microcomputers are: PC is the most common type of computer used in offices, homes, as we know, and it is used for business and engineering applications. And the next one is mini computers. These are introduced in 1960s. These are larger and more powerful computers than personal computers, and this type of computer is usually designed for real-time dedicated applications, or we can say high performance multi-user applications. And the use of mini computers often be used by small and medium sized companies to provide centralized store of information. Now mainframe of computers. Application involved in mainframe of computers is very large business organization. It is mainly for large business organization, industrial research into institutes, universities, banks, etc. need computers of greater capabilities and speed. In such application, mainframe computers are used. It is used large computer system that will occupy huge room, and its connected micros and minis are located near to or from the main computer. Use of mainframe computers are used to maintain the information of population. Mainframes are used in large organizations such as airline ticket reservation, etc. Now comes to supercomputers. Supercomputers are introduced in the year 1980s. Supercomputers is the biggest size and expensive in price, and it is very fastest machine. In these computers, the CPU speed is measured in million floating point operation per second, that is MFLOPS. Parallel processing is adapted here in these machines. The main difference between supercomputer and mainframe is that supercomputer channels all its power into executing a single program as fast as possible, and their uses are weather forecasting, animated graphics like Hollywood movies, fluid dynamic calculations, space science, etc. Okay, now comes to hybrid computers. These are the mainly combination of analog and digital computers. They accept both analog or digital data processing. These are used in hospitals where analog part is responsible for measurement of patient heartbeat, blood pressure, temperature and other vital signs, and then the operation is carried out in digital fashion to monitor patients' vital signs. These are also used in weather forecasting. Okay. Next comes to application of computers. If you are not subscribed yet, please go and subscribe my channel. Now, application of computers. Computer in education. As we know, computers are very useful and widely used in education field, like these are used in colleges, schools to educate the students regarding different information. Computers are useful in giving presentation about various topics. These are used to develop project. Through internet, students can get any type of information. Now comes to computers in industry. Nowadays, computers are important instruction of these industries, like they are used to design products like any mechanical or automobile parts. They are used in CAD, that is computer aided design. Computers are used to maintain the details of production, import details. These are used to train the employees and used to keep the track of the profit or loss from the sales. These are used for accounting as well as maintaining the database of the employees. Now, computer in business. Nowadays, computers are important for instruction of industries. When comes to business purpose, the computerized sales catalogs are developed here. Online shopping, e-commerce can be done on the web, as we know. Trading the stocks and shares sitting at the home itself. Online ticket booking for airlines, railways, buses. Home shopping at internet banking. It can be done to internet itself. Now comes to computers in communication. Here the computers are using for conferencing, like video conferencing, audio conferencing, text conferencing. We all know widely we are used to send the email, fast mailing service. By using computers we can chat the person present in the other country also. These are used to switching element in telephone exchange. These are used in satellite communication also. So when it comes to computer in entertainment, this is common as we use it for watching movies, listening music, etc. They are used to play the games. They are used in animations. By using these type of computers, we can download any movie, songs, games, etc. At last, computer in science and engineering. Science and engineering fields are basically depends on the computers, like computers are used in demonstrating the experiments. They are used in developing of electronic devices. These are used in architectural designing using CAD, as I said, computer aided design, and also they use it to communicate with the satellite. So I covered my remaining topics on overview of computer, which is general concept for all of us for general knowledge purpose. If you have any doubt, any kind of doubt in my previous video as well as this video, comment me in the comment box. Definitely I will reply you. And if you are not subscribed my channel yet, go and subscribe. My new videos will coming in this week, next week with my team. I will also upload that. Thank you so much for watching.